Your diesel truck starts acting like it has a mind of its own. The idle is all over the place, and that annoying check engine light is staring you in the face. You are likely dealing with the P02EA code, which points to an issue with your diesel intake airflow position sensor. Think of this sensor as the nose of your engine. It sits right on the throttle body or the intake tube and tells the powertrain control module exactly how much clean air is coming in. The computer, which we call the PCM, uses this info to balance the fresh air with the recycled exhaust gas from the exhaust gas recirculation system. If the PCM sees a signal that is erratic or just does not make sense for even a single second, it throws this code. You might notice your truck refusing to perform a soot burn-off in the diesel particulate filter, which is a huge headache because that soot just keeps building up. The good news is that this usually is not a catastrophic failure, since the computer can compensate, but you still want to fix it before your filter clogs up completely. Start your search by looking for any technical service bulletins for your specific model, because sometimes the manufacturer already has a known fix that can save you a ton of time. When you find the sensor, give the wiring a really good look. You are searching for any bare wires, melted plastic, or those dreaded green corroded spots on the metal terminals inside the connector. If everything looks clean, grab your digital voltmeter. With the engine off but the key in the on position, you should see exactly 5 volts at the signal terminal. If you are not getting that 5-volt reading, you are likely looking at a wiring break or a signal issue heading back to the computer. It is almost always a physical sensor failure or a bad connection rather than the computer itself. So focus your energy on that wiring harness and the sensor body first. Don't forget to apply some electrical grease when you put it back together to keep moisture out and prevent this whole mess from happening again next month.